Hello student, welcome to Math Academy. Today I will explain find the length of the curve or arc length of the curve y equal to x cube by 24 plus 2yx from x equal to 2 to x equal to 3. This is the limit of x. This is the previous questions. It is also comes from major or minor in upcoming second semester exam. So before I explain, first tips in arc length. How can find length of a curve? So first I will explain x-axis, then y-axis. In x-axis, when defined is, suppose this is the limit of x. I will write limit of x. This is the limit of x. Whenever limit of x, always remember the I will derivative dx with respect to dx. When a limit of y, then integrate with respect to dy. Always remember. When a limit of x, then integrate dx. When limit of y, then integrate dy. So first, in suppose I will find the length of the curve. So length equal to L or S. It may be S or L. This is S. Integrations A to B. This is the limit of A and B. This is the 1 plus dy over dx or whole square root over with respect to dx. And this is the f dash x dx. Similarly, whenever the limit of y, then integration A to B 1 plus dx over dy whole square root over with respect to dy. By this concept, I will solve this questions. So this is the limit of x. So I will put this formula 1 plus dy with respect to dx, because this is the limit of x, so with respect to dx. So how can I solve this questions? Solution. So given that, so how the formula of s this? So given that y equal to x cube over 24 plus 2 over x. So find the derivative of y, means dy by dx. So 1 by 24 will be constant. What is the derivative of x? 3x square. Plus 2 will be constant. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Then minus 1 by x square. So this is the 3 will be cancelled 24 8. The x square over 8 and plus minus minus 2 by x square. This is the derivative of x, dy by dx. Then what is this formula? So s equal to integrate. This is the limit of 2 to 3. This is the limit of x. So 2 to 3. The formula 1 plus dy by dx. This is the dy by dx. So dy by dx means x square by 8 minus 2 by x square whole square root over with respect to dx. So this is the 2 to 3. 1 plus what is the this is the a, this is the b. What is the a minus b whole square formula? The a square means x square by 8 square equal to 64 plus b square means 2 square equal to 4. X square square will be x square minus 2 into a means x square by 8, b means 2 by x square, and 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 2 cancel हो गया तो 2 रहेगा, then x square cancels, then remains only 1 by 2. This is the root over with respect to dx. Then integration 2 to 3, this is the 1 plus x square over 64 plus 4 over 64 minus 1 by t root over with respect to dx. This is the 1, this is the minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2, this is the 1 by 2. So remaining will be s equal to integration 2 to 3. This is the 1 minus 1 by 2. This is the 1 by 2. And see that 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then x square by 64 plus 4 by x square. Then plus x square over 64 plus 4 by x square. So root over into dx. Root over into dx. Okay. Then integration 2 to 3. But the LCM of this LCM is 64 and x square, 64 x square. So 64 to when you divide, then 32 x square plus 64 into 64 is equal to 1. So x square into x square, this is the x to the power 8 plus x square x cancel. 64 for the 16 256. This is the root over of dx. Then integration 2 root 3. So this is the I will write, this is the s square means x for square plus 2 into x means x square, 2 into a b means what will be b is my, because this is the 32. So if you find 16 square, suppose I will write 256 16 square. This is the a, this is the b, this is 2 into a b means 16 to the 32 x square. Okay, this is the root over by 64 x square. So this is the integration 2 root 3. For the a plus b whole square, a means x square, b means 16 the whole square root over by 64 x square. So this is the 2 root 3. So this is the x square, root over square will be cancelled, 64. What is the 64 root over? So 64 root over will be 8. So x square root over x square into the x dx. This is the dx. So integration 2 to 3. So it will be separate. So 1 by 8 x square and x square will be x square plus 8 16 denominator becomes 2 over x square with respect to dx. So integration 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 separate, 2 integration, one is 1 by 8 x square dx, another is integration plus 2 by 3. So 2 will be constant outside. So 1 by x square become, I will write x to the power minus 2 dx. So 1 by 8, what is the integration of this is the x cube by 3, this is the 2 to 3 plus 2, then this is the x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1, this is the minus 1, this is the 2 to 3. So 1 by 8 into 3, 1 by 24. What is the formula of if you put upper limit 3 row q equal to 27 minus 2 row q equal to 8 plus minus minus, this is 2 into, this is the 1 by x to the power minus 1 by x, this is the 2 row 3, this is the 1 by 24 17 minus 18 equal to 27 minus 18 equal to 19 minus, this is the 2 into if you put 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, this result equal to 1 by 24 equal to 19 by 24 minus if you 2 into this equal to 3 into 6 to 2 minus 3 LCM will be 6 2 minus 3, this is the 19 by 24 minus this is the minus 1 minus plus, this is 2 by 6 the minus minus, this is the plus. So 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. So the LCM becomes 24 and 3. When you find the LCM, this is the 24. Clear, see, this is the 24, this is the 3, because 2 by 6 is equal 1 by 3. So LCM becomes 24. So LCM becomes 24. So 24 divided 1 into 19 is equal to 19, plus 24 divides 3 divides 8. So 18 ones are 18 into 1 equal to 18. So 19 plus 18 equal to 27 by 24 is the correct answer of the given questions. This is the another question which is about arc length. In previous question already one question I will explain arc length. Another question is arc length. This is the function y equal to x to the power 3 by 2 on the interval 0 4. So how will solve these questions? So in this question, given that 0 4 is my limit of x, because this is the y equal to fx. So limit of x, so it is given that the limit of x. So if you given that limit of x, so integrating with respect to dx. Always remember, I will explain in previous lecture also. So number one question I will discuss. So this is the number two question. This is the also previous year questions. Do not forget like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. So how can solve these questions? So the formula for arc length s equal to s or l integrations. What is the 0 to 4? 1 plus, I will write this formula, dy by dx whole square root over with respect to this, because the limit of x. It not mentioned, but this is the limit of x, because this interval lies between x to the power 3 by 2. So this is the 0 to 1 plus, what is the derivative of x? We will find the derivative. So given that y equal to x to the power 3 by 2, so derivative for dy by dx is equal to 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. So derivative becomes 3 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 whole square root over with respect to x. This is the integration 0 to 4 1 plus, what is the squaring whole square? 3 row square equal to 9 and 2 row square equal to 4, x to the power 1 by 2 square equal to x. This is the root over with respect to dx. So this is the step by step I will solve these questions 0 to 4. So this integration, how to solve this integration? So I'll write to 1 plus 9 over 4 whole to the power 1 by 2 with respect to x. So how to solve these questions in integral? So put 1 plus 9 by 4 x which is equal to t. So derivative 1 becomes 0 and 9 by 4 into x becomes 9 by 4. So x derivative 1, so it is the dt over dx. So 9 by 4 dx becomes dt. So find the dx. What is my dx? Dx is equal to dt by 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 becomes 4 over 9. So if you put the limit, then limit will change. This is the limit of so if you put, this is the limit of x. If you put x equal to 0, if you put x equal to 0, now what is the value of t? So 1 plus, if you put x equal to 0, 0 into 9 by 4 equal to 0. So this is the limit of t becomes 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So t equal to 1. If you put limit of x equal to this upper limit. If you put x equal to 4, so 1 plus 9 by 4 into 4. So 4 cancels. What is the value of t? T equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So what is the 1 plus 9 by 4 into x? So 1 plus 9 by 4 into x. So t to the power half dx will be 4 by 9 dt. So 4 by 9 integration 1 to 10 t to the power 1 by 2 over dt. So 4 by 9 integration t to the power half t to the power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 limit 1 to 10. So 4 by 9 3 by 2 becomes reciprocals 2 by 3. If you put limit 10 upper limit, so limit becomes 10 to the power 3 by 2 minus, if you put t equal to 1, so 1 to the power 3 by 2. So if you multiplying them, this is the 4 into 8 by 9 3 27. This is the 10 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 is the correct answer in this given questions. This is the another questions which is about the surface area revolutions. Surface area generated. How to solve this question if you comes in surface area generators? So there are two methods. One is the x-axis. This is the tips. This is also PYQ previous questions. So this is the x-axis, another is y-axis. In x-axis, this formula becomes, what is the area? Integration a to b. So 2 pi in x-axis 2 pi y. This is the 1 plus dy over this, because in x-axis 1 plus dy over dx whole square root over into. This is the x-axis, so dx. This is the x-axis 2 pi y becomes 1 plus dy by dx whole square into dx. If it becomes y-axis, then area becomes integration a to b. This is the y-axis, so 2 pi x into 1 plus dx over dy, because it is a dy whole square root over. This is the concept. Clear? So in this use two method, I will solve these questions. So this is the y equal to f(x). So this is the limit of x. So once it is given that the limit of x, so we will apply dx because the limit of x. So solution. So integrate. So formula will be a equal to integration -1 plus 1, because the limit is -1 plus 1. So 2 pi, what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Y equal to, for one directly I will put x square root over of 1 plus, what is the derivative of dy by dx? I will write y equal to for minus x square root over, then derivative of dy by dx. If you know the derivative, then you will go through my playlist and watch the lecture of derivative. So 1 by 2 into for minus x square root over, what is the derivative of minus 2x for minus x square derivative? So 2 will be cancelled, so minus x by for minus x square root over. So this is the dy by dx. Once it is a whole square, suppose this is the dy by dx, so I will find the dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus x over for minus x square root over. So this is the formula. First formula will apply. This is the first formula, dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus x by for minus x square root over. So if you squaring them, then become minus x square becomes x square. So for minus x square root over cancels. So for minus x square into dy. This is the dy, not this is dx, because this function is limit of x. So this is the dx. So this is the -1 plus 1, 2 pi. So for minus x square root over, when LCM will be for minus x square. So for minus x square into for minus x square plus x square minus x will cancel into dx. So 2 pi will be constant. So -1 plus 1 for minus x square root over into this is the root over of 4 root over equal to 2, and for minus x square root over remains. So this is the for minus x square cancels. 2 into 2 for pi integration -1 dx remains. So for pi What is the integration of dx? Dx integration x. So minus 1 plus 1. So this is the purpose. So 1 and lower limit is minus. So if you put minus, then minus of minus 1, because lower limit put minus 1. So 4 pi into 2. This is the 8 pi of this given answer of this questions.